Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn about logging in API Maker. For logging, we have these two things, log profile and log table. Let's open log profile first. It is saying we need to provide database connection to store the logs inside the MongoDB. So for that we need to go inside the root user. Now inside the root user, deployment settings and provide MongoDB connection string from here, and it will insert logs into that database. Here you can provide daily scheduler. Normally if you want to run it for 24 hours, you can provide this value, and daily it will run and it will keep this much amount of logs for each admin user. Once you provide these details, you can log out and log in into your admin account. After that, go to log profile. In API Maker, you need to create a log profile, and based on that API Maker will log things. So let's create a log profile, all logs. And if you want to log everything, just select upper checkbox to select everything. Now let's go to log table, and we don't have any logs right now. Let's go to custom API and hit this hello world API. 1, 2, 3. After that, let's go to log table, and we can see the 3 calls here. Let's clear all logs. Let's modify the log profile, and now we don't want everything, we just want to log hello world API, not hello world 2. Let's save this profile. Now we'll go to custom API and we'll hit this hello world. 1, 2, 3. Hit the hello world 2 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And we should be getting logs of only hello world, not logs of hello world 2, because in our log profile we don't want to get logs of hello world 2, we just logs of hello world API. We can filter our logs based on specific API also. For example, we want to see logs of only hello world and hello world 2. We'll apply that filter and we'll getting the logs of only hello world API. Let's remove the hello world. We'll apply that and we are not getting any logs. So in this table you can provide filters of specific API, specific database, specific instance, or any specific third-party API bundle, specific custom API, or any system API, any specific events, schedulers, and those between particular date time range. So this search is very powerful, and you can download those data into Excel reports, and you can download them as a PDF also. If you open any log, just double click on that, and here you can see everything in detail. Expand everything from here and you will see headers, request query parameters, request body, response headers, and entire response body, and whatever logs user did using g.logger.log, you will see them here. In API Maker code, console.log and g.logger.log both are different things. You will see all the console log here combined. You cannot separate them. But g.logger.log we can see separately for each API, event, scheduler, or anything. So let's hit this API, and here if we can see that console.log, and if we go to log table, we'll double click on that, we'll expand everything, and at the bottom we can see those g.logger.log. By default you will not see the response body because response can be quite big. So if you want to see response also, for that you need to check this checkbox. Select that. We'll hit the custom API hello world again. Let's go to log table and see the latest log. Double click, and here we can see the response. So it is useful in few cases when response is important and not that much big.